Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the time on a radio. So everybody normally does this, clicks the 12-hour settings or the 24 hours, and when you get to this part, doesn't seem to want to do it, right? So you don't do it from here, you actually do it from the dashboard. I'll show you. Press OK, and then you scroll up to the brightness dash so you can get it up. There you go. And then you go to time. Daylight savings. You see how it changes from 7:20 to 6:20, and you pick your time zone. Central, Mountain. We are Central. We're on the city of Chicago, so it is 6:20. That's how you change the time, guys. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, let me show you how you. One more thing. You go to time. See how it says 5 to 7:20. Look at that. You change it. See that? Boom. Boom.